A new program coming to a college in our area, bringing opportunities to local mental health care. After the break, we'll be talking with the program director to hear more about Maria College's new master's program.
You're watching News 10 ABC at 9 a.m.
Welcome back. A new program is opening up at Maria College designed to increase the amount of mental health providers as the need for mental health care continues to rise. It's a new Master of Science degree in clinical mental health counseling. Here with me now to share more about the program is the founding director, Dr. Claudia Lingertat. Thank you so much for coming in.
Of course, of course. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. This is something that is so crucial to not only the people looking to get into this field locally, but also people who need these services, and we know the need is out there. So talk to me about where the idea for this program came from.
Yeah, well, we know that we're facing a mental health crisis. We know that incidents of anxiety and depression and trauma are skyrocketing. We know that every year 1 in 5 adults and 1 in 6 youth struggle with mental illness, but only about half of those are able to receive treatment. And part of that is because there's just a shortage of professional licensed providers. So the program at Maria College is really hoping to fill that gap, to kind of put the next generation of counselors out there to meet that need.
People know Maria College for the nursing program,
yes,
right? For the people in our communities who take care of us physically. Mm-hmm. Tell me how the mental health component kind of fits in with the mission of Maria College that already exists.
That's a wonderful question, and sometimes we forget that mental health is health. I'm really interested in promoting an integrated behavioral health model where people take care of their bodies and their minds and their spirits. We know that when folks are struggling with particular mental illness, they certainly can also have physical issues, they can have existential crises, and so we're really interested in treating the whole person, and I think it's a really good fit for Maria specifically for that reason, because mental health is part of health.
What's the kind of student that you typically see looking to enroll in a program like this?
That's a great question. Definitely people that are passionate about helping others, but certainly we're looking to prepare students to become advocates and leaders in the field, to also be able to help clients perhaps that need access to services and can't afford them, folks in underserved communities like in our rural areas, and so really people that are passionate about helping others. Although an undergrad degree in psychology helps, it's not necessary. I certainly have had people that are career changers. Maybe they've had a long career in an adjacent industry and they're really looking now to do something meaningful to give back to their community.
How long does it take to complete this program?
That is the question of the moment, right? It's a 60-credit program, and that is a New York State education requirement. We have a bunch of different tracks. It is a weekend program for the coursework, so we're hoping to be able to help people that are working or need to work. When they get to the field placement, we do have 700 hours of field placement across a full calendar year. That will be during the week, so it could be anywhere from 18 months to 3 years to longer. Sometimes people need to go part-time because of family obligations or for financial reasons.
Well, it sounds like those will be accommodated, which is excellent.
Yes.
If someone's watching this right now, it appeals to them, they're interested, where can they go for more information or to possibly enroll?
Absolutely. So mariacollege.edu, you can look at our clinical mental health counseling page. There's a link to admissions. You can see all the admission standards, talk to an admissions counselor. My information is on there. We'd love to explore the opportunity with anybody that's interested.
Thank you so much for sharing that. We'll also have these details posted on our website, news10.com, for anyone looking for more details or anyone who might be interested. We know the need is out there. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing with us.
Thank you. I appreciate the time.